Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting specific. Pick 3-5 clear intentions and write each as if it already happened. Once chosen, collect visuals and words that match the feeling: photos, magazine cutouts, printed phrases. Make sure you have one poster board, scissors, glue, and markers within reach. Sit in a quiet 15-30-minute window. This focus time shapes momentum. As you place items, ask, does this evoke the feeling of having it? If not, replace it. Emotion beats logic here. Now arrange with purpose. Place one focal image for each intention at eye level, then surround it with supportive images that build the story. Once done, layer smaller words and symbols to create depth and neural cues. The brain maps patterns visually. Make sure to add a short affirmation and one concrete action step near each cluster. This links vision to behavior. Speak each affirmation aloud as you glue items down. Verbalizing anchors the intention into both emotion. Finish by creating a daily ritual. Spend 5 minutes morning and evening viewing the board, feeling the outcome, and rehearsing the actions you added. Once set, place it somewhere visible, bedroom, office, or near your mirror, and commit to monthly updates so it stays aligned. If you hit resistance or doubt, don't panic. Reframe the inner sentence, add small evidence of progress to the board, and take one tiny action immediately. Momentum dissolves most blocks fast.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.